Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Skullcandy brand earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Maybe they're not connecting, maybe only one side is working, or there's some kind of other malfunction and you just need to do a full hard reset on them. I'm going to show you how. Just be aware, once you do this, you have to repair with anything. It will not automatically pair with any of your devices. So let's get started on how to do a full factory reset on these. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the device that you have it generally paired with and just remove the earbuds from the paired list of devices and then turn the Bluetooth off on that device. Once you do that, you can remove both of the earbuds from the case and you will get a tone that they will each make a tone that shows that they're on. And then you are going to press and hold the button on both earbuds at the same time for 6 seconds. And when you press and hold it, after 6 seconds, it will make a tone. And then so both of them will start to flash purple, and they will flash for 5 times. And then you will get another tone after that 5 flashes that shows that they have been successfully reset. Once that happens, the headphones will actually say ready to pair, and then your earbuds will flash red, blue, which means that they're back into the pairing mode. So once you do that, you can go back to your device, turn the Bluetooth back on, and then go through the normal pairing process of your headphones, and they will be repaired in the default factory settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.